Morning, guys. It is July 17th, 2024. This one here, I got a call from a guy. I guess his mother's got no AC, so I gotta go by there and see what's going on. He said the system was about 20 years old and it ran last year. So I don't know what's going on. He had the neighbor go over there and play around with the fuses in the panel or something and swapping them out for the stove, and I went back there and straightened that mess out. So I don't know what's happening with the air conditioning. I know it's got the big 30 amp fuses in the panel, like it's a pull-out breaker type of thing. You put the fuses in there and you stick it in. I haven't even looked at the air conditioner, see what's going on with that. We'll see if there's any broken wire, burnt wires, or anything that would be shorted to ground. And then we'll see if we got power, to the unit, see why it's not running. I think she's like 90, 95 or something. I've worked for her in the past. But anyway, we'll go by and see if we could figure it out. I don't carry you. Okay. Was it running last year? Was it running last year? Was it running last year?
Yes, it was fine last year, no problem.
It's got a low pressure switch on it, unless there's no gas in it. Alright, so I'm getting 240 here. We'll see if it starts. Ready? Well, it's starting. Unless there's no gas in it. We know that's running. Button this back up and then we'll check the charge on it. Well, we know it runs. Let's check the thermostat. What's going on with that? Is there a light? This is not working.
You know, well, I don't know. You can remove one of the panels.
Huh? Say it again? This is not. This part's not working.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's even any power coming to it. I'll have to get my tools and my light and see. There's the furnace. Welder. Kitchen. Air conditioning. Sunroom. Furnace right there. Alright, I just changed that fuse on the furnace. That one was smoked on the furnace. It just kicked on.
running.
Sounds like it's running now. Oh yeah, nice and warm. King valves. Gonna be fine. Had a bad fuse. Just had a bad fuse. She's crusty as hell, man. This don't belong here. I don't know what this is doing here, but I'm gonna put it over there. Nice and coming out nice and cooked, nice and toasty, so we're good. The old king valves. King valves, nice and cold. Here we go.